Hey, we're finally back. Welcome to the shop on the channel. Finally going to work on the Samurai. I'm about to drop the transfer case out of it, and so I can get it dropped off today to get rebuilt finally. It's only been 2 or 3 months since it broke. I'll have the money to get it rebuilt. So it shouldn't take hopefully very long. I'm going to set up a camera underneath where you can see some of the stuff and show you guys what the divorce transfer case looks like. It's pretty neat. That's what's great about these, having the divorce transfer cases. Can drop the transfer case without having to mess with the transmission, other than disconnecting it's like a 1-foot drive shaft that goes in between the transmission and the transfer case. So it'll be the first time I ever pulled one out of one of these. So it's got 3 drive shafts. So, but I'm gonna shut this off, switch to a GoPro, get up under there, start pulling drive shafts out. So stay tuned. Okay, up here under the Samurai. See, I didn't notice my rear diff is leaking a little bit. I have to fix that. A few things while we've got it in here. I've got oh, I can see why that's leaking. That's straight up loose. Yeah, I got a leak there on the knuckle, which I didn't realize that was just backed off. I need to tighten that up, and I'll probably fix that leak. A little bit of oil leaks on the motor, it looks like. I didn't realize it was going down, but try to hold it back. So there's the transfer case, and it does have spacers in these to give them to reach for the space of the lift, and it's perfectly safe. It's a common thing for these, but yeah, it's just a couple bolts that holds everything in. So you can see, so see, there's a little drive shaft. It goes back there. That's the input for the transfer case. And you got your forward one, the rear one. The forward one's longer than the rear. That's interesting. But I'm hoping that this transfer case will be able to hold the V6. And you can see how small that transmission is. That's why I'm talking about using the Power Glide. The Power Glide's really narrow, and I think I can fit it in here. I have to the exhaust from the V6, the factory Y pipe comes off the passenger side, but I'm going to have to take that to a muffler shop, have that rebuilt, but I'll have the down pipes at least. But I think there's plenty of room in here. I've seen pictures and videos of people putting those V6s in these, so I know it can happen. But I need to get under here and clean up some welds, like right here. Like that weld looks like it's broken loose. That's for the YJ kit for the springs. The rears look like they're welded better, way better welded than the front. The front, it looks like they were kind of over the project and just threw it on there. But so I'm going to get to turning some wrenches and get these drive shafts out. We'll get started over here. That's an angle that you can see at.
So that's it. That's the big bad transfer case right there. Got it out, took it, washed it at the car wash, so cleaned it pretty good. It just really dirty and had some mud on it. And I don't know if that's an aftermarket case or if somebody made that case, but it's pretty sturdy. Looks pretty good. But I'm about to load it up and drive it to Duncan to get fixed. So, yay.